Healing isn't always loud. It doesn't always look like big milestones or an announcement that you're finally okay. Most of the time, healing happens quietly, in the small and ordinary moments no one else sees. It looks like finally being able to sleep through the night without your thoughts chasing you. It looks like laughing at a joke again, genuinely, without forcing it. Looks like taking a shower after days of feeling too heavy to move. Looks like eating a full meal because you decided your body deserves care, even when your heart still hurts. Healing doesn't always mean you're over it. Sometimes it means you've learned how to carry the pain differently without letting it consume you. It's not about pretending nothing happened. It's about slowly learning that life can still hold joy, even after loss, heartbreak, or disappointment. And while the world claps for loud achievements, the kind of progress that matters most often happens in silence. The courage to keep going, the patience to wait for better days, the choice to show up for yourself again and again, even when it feels pointless. So if you're healing quietly right now, unseen and uncelebrated, know this. Still counts. Every small step is still progress. Every breath you take is proof of strength. Because healing isn't meant to impress anyone. It's meant to set you free.